Have you got an FC error code, or otherwise known as failure to communicate code, on your Honeywell Vista or Honeywell Link system? Stay tuned and I'll let you know what that's all about. Hey everybody, your favorite neighborhood alarm tech here, Jon Boroughs with Alarm System Store, and today I'm going to go over 3 or 4 things that would cause an FC or failure to communicate error on your Honeywell Vista or Honeywell Links panel. The first thing that might cause this is if you're not having the panel report out and you're not having it dial out, you may have went into programming and inadvertently added information into either the dial out phone number slot or the account number slot. If your panel goes into alarm, it thinks it needs to dial out but doesn't have a way to do it. That might cause that. Another issue that might cause this is if you don't have your phone wiring correct. A lot of times this deals with phone line dial out, so if your phone wiring is not correct, that may cause this issue. Another thing that may cause this issue would be if your phone line is not functioning properly. If you've got a bad phone line wiring or whatnot from the box outside, that would cause this. Noise on the line would cause it. And the final thing that would cause a failure to communicate, or FC error code, would be simply if your service is disconnected. I know it sounds silly, but you know, it happens. You miss a renewal payment and they disconnect your service. So that's 4 things to watch out for the FC or failure to communicate error code on the Honeywell system. Thanks for being here today, guys. Check out more videos for further information. Have a good day.